Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn. I'm at my son's house here in Montgomery, Alabama, and it's an old craftsman's house that was built it was built in 1932, but the heyday of the craftsman's era was 1910 to 1930, 20, somewhere right in there. So anyway, he is trying to fix this yard. We have been inside getting ready. He's gonna have some company and everything, and so we're getting ready for that. And I wanted to see what he had done in the yard, and he's nowhere near finished, but it's looking so much better. And I want to show you some of the things that were already planted here that he just kind of thinned out and made look better. So we have the Confederate Jasmine, which is always a big deal here in the South. And you can hear the bells, which I love. There's a church right down the road, Trinity Presbyterian Church, and they play the bells every, I guess, hour. And it's really, really pretty. But anyway, so come on down here, and we have the Mondo Grass lining the border. So what he did, it was all packed all up in here together, and he separated it out and made more, of a path. And then he planted some gardenia bushes right up next to the wall, and they're going to get nice, big, and bushy and smell beautiful as you go into the door, which the side door is right over here. And so it's going to be so nice. And this is kind of its own little sanctuary. Although I would like you to vote and say whether or not he should take this fence down and open it up, but it would take all the Confederate jasmine away. I don't know if there's a way that he could save it and put it somewhere else, but it opens up to a big yard here that has a swimming pool that he has planted a lot of stuff along that fence back there, but I'll talk about that another time. But anyway, it would open it up, but then I kind of like a secret little garden, so I don't know if he should do that or not. Okay, so anyway, then we have some irises, and we have fiery Nandina, which everybody knows me is not my favorite. I really hate that plant. I think it looks horrible, but people love it. And if you're a lover of it, I'm sorry. But anyway, he's keeping it, and so there you go. But here's some irises, which are beautiful, and they're in this really gorgeous pot that was here when he bought the house. And again, he's lined it with the Mondo Grass. And so everything that's planted, there's this nice pathway that he'll probably put rocks on top of, and it also has been planted with some rocks, a rock path, so it's really pretty. But I love the lining of the Mondo Grass. And then over here is just a weed, but it's an edible one. It's gosh, I can't remember the name of it, but it is edible, and it's even the flowers, the leaves. It's really good. It's kind of citrusy. Not a lemon citrus, it's a different kind of citrus. It's beautiful. It's a great taste. But anyway, I like that. And then we have a winter honeysuckle right here. Winter honeysuckle, and it flowers, I believe, in the winter. I've never planted it before, but that's what that is. And then a Mahonia, which you can eat those berries as well. Let's see if I can get one. Whoa! Okay, that's sour. You can eat them though if you want to. And then they probably get sweeter later. And then we have some, oh wow, I still have that going on in my mouth. So we have hydrangeas, which are gonna be beautiful, and they're gonna just be loaded with gorgeous flowers. Don't know yet if they're gonna be purple or pink, depending on the acidity of the soil. And then we have a Sago Palm. This one is beautiful. Sometimes they can be really super unhealthy looking. This one looks really, really good, big, bushy, and healthy. And one of my favorites over here, cast iron plant. We have this all at our home around trees, and then, Mondo Grass around that, which is so pretty to me. But I love cast iron plants. To me, it's my fallback when I don't have anything to plant in a particular place. Cast iron is strong and it can take it. So I like to plant the cast iron plants. But anyway, there's our secret garden. So please do tell me, do you think that we should get rid of the Confederate jasmine fence? I don't know. To open that up, I don't know. And then, you know, of course, we have the Crepe Myrtles, which are beautiful, and they're surrounding everything, and the big oak trees, and so it's just a lovely garden space. Well, anyway, I just wanted to share with you this. I can't wait to hear your comments, and let me know what your favorite outside planting is. So I will talk to you soon.